Okay, we're here at Lamar Place for a quick tour of home number A210. This is one of our Austin 2-bed floor plans. It has 2 bedrooms and 1 bathroom. And when I walk in the front door, you notice right away this huge living room space, beautiful floors, a lot of light coming in from this window on the left. And then you see over here on the left, the dining room, as well as this kitchen that has this peninsula that sticks out. And you'll see the granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, white shaker style cabinets, all upgraded hardware. There's the subway style backsplash. And this is our platinum upgrade package. Pantry over there to the left as well. Dishwasher, pretty much everything you could want in this kitchen. So then I turn this corner and I'm walking down. So right here is a thermostat. It's a smart thermostat that you can control with your phone. On the right is a coat closet in the hallway. On the left, you'll see the bathroom area that is also platinum upgraded, as you can see. And then there is this brand new bathroom as well, super clean. Over on the left is more shelf space in these hallway closets. So this is one of the small rooms. It does have a closet. And then over here on the left is the much bigger room. And it has a double door closet. Pretty big walk-in with space down both sides. So I hope that gives you a sense. Actually, let me walk back out the front door so you know what's outside too. So check this out. Off of your front porch balcony area, there is the swimming pool. And then over here to the right is the laundry room and your mailboxes. So that's it. Austin building unit number A210 at Lamar Place. Come check it out and make this one yours. Thanks.